Rayplex introduces its new Ultra Spray Gelcoat Repair Kit. Today from the laboratory at Rayplex University comes the new Ultra Spray, the gel coat that you spray with a Preval Sprayer for small touch-up work. Just fill in the gouges and digs with our number 745 fairing filler and sand smooth. Afterwards, spray a professional gel coat surface using the Preval Sprayer that just needs buffing. Just look at the beautiful shine, and you too can get this as a repair on your boat. The following sprays is an example of the procedures we use to fill in this spot on the dinghy using the Preval Sprayer. You can see we put on 5 coats and then stopped, and then finished it off with another 5 coats, and you can see the final outcome. Attached also is the finished shots of the buff part. After 5 passes, we have to give the gel coat about 15 minutes to harden up and the solvents to evaporate and allow self-leveling. And next we'll apply another 5 passes. No sanding required for this gel coat. Just 2 or 3 passes with a buffer using the Ray Buff compound will produce a beautiful shine. Your friends will applaud your work at the beautiful shine you've created using the Rayplex Ultra Spray Gel Coat applied with a Preval Sprayer.